Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syalia Putri Briani. So I want to explain about syntax me project. The first one is definition of syntax. Syntax can be defined in your own words as the study of how words are combined to form a structure and meaningful phrase, clause, and sentence in a language. Simply put, syntax consists of the grammatical rules that determine the order and relationship between words. It is these rules that allow speaker to generate and understand an infinite number of sentence from a finite number of words. Without syntax, word would just be uh, unorganized pile of words. Okay. Um, Next is 3K property of syntax. First one is hierarchy. Explanation. Hierarchy means that sentences are not just flat string of words but are structured in different level of constituents. Word grouped together to form phrases and phrases grouped together to form clause or sentence. One constituent or a phrase can be embedded with it, within a large constituents. The examples like the sentence is the kind teacher reads the new book. The word kind and teacher do not just relate to each other linearly, they form a single unit, the noun phrase or NP, the kind teacher. 2. Read the new books from a single verb phrase or VP. 3. The entire sentence is organized at the highest level as a sentence or as. 2. Recursion. Explanation recursion is the property that allow grammatical rules to apply to themselves repeatedly. This enables speaker to generate a theoretically infinitely long sentence by embedding phrase or clause inside or the phrase or clause of the same type. Examples like uh, this is the house. This is the house. The was purchased by the neighbor who live across the street. Uh, 3. You can continue adding details or relative clause or professional praise. Okay, 3. Structure dependence. Explanation. Structure dependence means that syntactic rules form moving elements. Asking a question of forming negation operate based on the hierarchical structure of the sentence or continuous rather than just the linear order or word order. Examples: Sentence A. The dog can case the square. To the correct rule, or moving the auxiliary verb can from the main clause to the beginning of the sentence. Can the dog case the square? Okay. Next question: 10 authentic English sentence. First one is the government recently account a significant change is in fiscal policy. To a new study suggests that reading fishing improves empathy among adults. 3. She will definitely finish the report before the deadline. 4. Despite the heavy rain, the crowd cheered enthusiastically. Next, What have you been doing since we last spoke? Next, the ancient ruins stood silently on the hilltop, basking in the morning sun. Next, if they had left earlier, they would have cooked the rain. Next, the vibrant painting was purchased by an anonymous collector. Next, nobody knows actually how the universe began. Next, the last one is the small but powerful device require constant attention. Okay, the next question. Lexical category. The lexical category is the examples like the determine or that, a function word that specifically the noun. Next, a vibrant adjective or adject uh, modifies the noun painting. Next, painting noun, the object that undergoes the passive action. Next, ways, auxiliary verb or aux, part of the passive verb constructor. Next, first case, verb or V denotes the main action. Next, by preposition or P connect the verb to the agent. Next, undetermined or that, a function word that specifies the noun. Next, anonymous adjective. It modifies the noun collector. Next, the last one, collector or noun, the agent performing the action of purchasing. Next question is grammatical category. Grammatical category identify the structural and inflectional features of the word. Nouns or painting and collector. Number. Both nouns or painting and collector are the singular form case. Both nouns are in the common case, which cover both subject and object or eigenfunctions, like a noun type, or both are called nouns. Verb phrase was per case. Next, tense and the auxi- auxiliary verb was indicates but past tense. The last one, voice. The structure was per case signal the passive voice. Form was is a finite verb. To per case is a non-finite verb in the past participle form. Adjective. Degree. Both adjectives are in the passive degree, meaning they are not in the comparative or more vibrant, are superlative or more vibrant form. Okay, the next question is constituency analysis. Sentence 1. The government recently announced a significant change in fiscal policy. I have 10 sentences. The first one, the government. The two recently, three announced a significant change in fiscal policy. Four announced. Five, a significant change in fiscal policy. Six, a significant change. Seven, significant. Eight, in fiscal policy. Nine, in 10 fiscal policy. Okay, the sentence two is if they had left earlier, they would have cooked the rain. Okay, the first one I have complex sentence conditional containing two clauses. First one, if they had left earlier. Two, if 3 day had left earlier. 4 day. Five had left earlier. Six had earlier. Seven earlier. Eight, they would have cooked the rain. Next day. Uh, next would have cooked the rain. Next, Walt have Coke. The last one, the rain. Sentence 3. The Asian ruin stood silently on the hilltop, basking in the morning sun. The sentence includes a main clause and a reduced relative clause. I have sentence the ancient ruin. Next, ancient. Next, stood silently on the hilltop. Next, stood. Next, silently. Next, on the hilltop. Next, on. Next, the hilltop. Next, basking on the morning sun. Next, basking. Next, in the morning sun. Next, in the morning sun. The morning sun. Okay, next constituency test application and analysis. Sentence A. The government recently announced a significant change in fiscal policy. Sentence B. The ancient ruins stood silently on the hilltop. Okay. The reflection is what did you learn about syntax from this project? This project solidified by my understanding that syntax is the engine that drives meaning in language, moving beyond mere vocabulary or word order. Which part of the project was most challenging and why? The most challenging part of the project was applying the constituency test and subsequently during the press structure trees. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.